In this video, you will see how to make an image circular in Google Slides. As you can see, this is a rectangle picture and I have converted my picture to circular picture. Let's get started. First, I will delete this picture to show you. To make image circle in Google Slides, go up to the insert option and under the image, select upload from computer or any other source and select the image picture or a photo you have. Click on open to insert it into the Google Slides. Now we will crop a picture into circle in Google Slides using this crop tool. Click on the crop tool. Select the area of your choice. After selecting the area, click outside the selection in the slide and the image will be cropped. Now we can make it circular. Click on this downward triangle to mask image with the shape. Select the oval shape and the picture will convert to circular shape in Google Slides. Now you can add border to this circular shape like this. You can change the border color if you want to, and if you want a dashed or a dotted line like this as a border, you can do that as well. Or if you don't want a border, then just select transparent to remove the border completely. Like the video and comment below if this video solved your problem, and don't forget to subscribe.